Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Obladi Creatives is hiring for copywriting intern role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. About Obladi Creatives. We are a result-driven, full-service digital marketing agency. We are a team of writers, designers, developers, account executives, and creatives who like what they do. And as a result of that, are always trying harder and getting better. We channel that enthusiasm towards our work into getting our clients more business. We offer services in branding, advertising, design, web development, and extensive digital marketing. We are looking to grow our team in all aspects of the marketing spectrum of designers, developers, and digital marketing experts. About the work from home job or internship. Selected interns' day-to-day responsibilities include copywriting and working on social media strategies for brands with a goal to build an audience and keep the engagement going. Understanding the essence of the client's business and core values and working on strategizing their brand identity. Constantly think of creative strategies for increased results, impressions for our clients across digital platforms. Long form brand writing, websites, blogs, brochure, corporate profiles. Handle other responsibilities which will keep varying based on our Obladi's long-term planning. An interest in business development would be a huge advantage as well. Stipend per month is 10 to 15k. Let us get to know more about the company. We are Obladi, a passionate team of writers, designers, marketers and developers with a simple goal to be the go-to agency for everyone who believes that good enough is simply not enough when it's come to their brand. Be it long-standing industry stalwarts making their first foray into online marketing, small up and coming startups looking to formally establish their brand identity, or even businesses who simply feel the need to revamp their marketing strategies. We aim to provide brands with the best creative plus digital strategy to get them where they want to go and beyond. With time, we have come to realize we do things a little differently. We listen a little more, we aim a little higher, we work a little harder, and we care a little more. All of this translate into us always filtering and refining until we know we have it just right. A parting shot from us to you. We are most excited when a business approaches us asking exactly how we can help them. In fact, we love drafting our extensively researched and lengthy marketing proposals outlining how exactly we plan to help you grow further. Be sure to ask for one when you reach out to us. We look forward to hearing from you. Team Obladi. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.